Hello and welcome back to Green Money Momentum, where we talk about market movements, making money, and money momentum. And there's a lot of money momentum behind Trump, as he just recently released his meme coin on the Solana blockchain, and it gathered a ton of attention and momentum very quick. And as you guys know, I'm out here in D.C. for the inauguration, and while we were waiting to try to get into the Capital One Arena for the last Trump celebration rally before tomorrow, I got to talk to a lot of people in the line, and so many people were talking about the Trump coin and also DJT stock. A lot of investors are wondering, is DJT going to do the same movements as the Trump meme coin did recently? So I'm going to talk about that and a bunch of other news. Also, this just shows how quickly finance and news moves, as in my last video, I had just talked about the TikTok ban, and well, crazy enough, before the 20th, I did not see this coming so quick, but TikTok is already back up. So all the Americans that were upset about the TikTok ban, you no longer have to be upset, as we are already back. And after tomorrow, Trump will be back as your president again. So I want to talk about all this different news, but before anything, as always, I want to say that this is not financial advice, and I always recommend doing your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. And so the first thing I want to talk about here is the meme coin that Trump did just release on the Solana blockchain. The meme coin started at just $10 and traded all the way up to $70 today on Sunday. And I could just say, being out in the streets of DC, there was a lot of FOMO when it came to the Trump meme coin, as a lot of individuals I talked to were talking about this meme coin, even those who aren't really invested into cryptocurrency. Basically, everybody on those streets knew all about the Trump meme coin. A lot of these individuals I asked also if they were invested into DJT, and they did say yes. And so I think that the volume in the Trump meme coin just shows how much support there is behind the president and how many people are investing into Trump. And so funny enough, when we look at the components of Donald Trump's wealth, he is now a crypto billionaire. This financial asset that didn't exist before Friday afternoon now accounts for 89% of Donald Trump's wealth, which really just shows you how crazy cryptocurrency is and really how much this play ran up. This is a very unprecedented time in U.S. history, as we've never had a president be so pro-crypto, be so vocal about being so pro-crypto, and actually release cryptocurrencies into the market. So many investors may have FOMO from missing out on the Trump play on the Solana blockchain. So naturally, the next place they may be looking is onto the stock market, where they will find the stock DJT. And I think that the volume and the hype, momentum, all the money that got put into the Trump meme coin shows the real story and how much support really is behind Trump. When we pull up this volume chart for DJT for the last 3 months, we could see that the volume was actually higher right before the elections, and then we had a little volume pop recently going into the inauguration. But just as I said in yesterday's video, I believe that the stock should be a lot higher than it already is. 40.48 is a very undervalued price for DJT, and with all the support we saw in the meme coin, you better bet that a lot of retail investors have also been investing into DJT on the stock market. It wouldn't make sense to have so much support and have the meme coin explode behind Trump, but then not see the stock do the same. If you've been following this stock long enough, you know that there was a lot of halting and manipulation right before the elections that prevented this stock from running up to 60. And then recently, we really haven't seen this stock break into the resistance levels of 45 or beyond. And I believe that to be because of a lot of HFT bots, high frequency trading bots, that are artificially keeping this stock pushed down. So despite all the retail investors that have been investing into DJT, these bots are brutal. Anybody who invested back into the day into GME or AMC knows exactly how this works. These bots, these big top Wall Street traders, are trying to screw as many investors as they can, trying to make as many options contracts expire worthless. And Friday being the last day before the inauguration, the last trading day, I believe that these HFT bots were the reason why the stock did not run higher. And thank you to President Trump, as TikTok has already been saved. So he hasn't even been inaugurated yet, but the TikTok ban only lasted a day, and they thank Donald Trump for being able to come back online. A lot of presidents and world leaders from other countries respect Donald Trump very much, whereas they didn't really respect Joe Biden the most. This TikTok ban ending so quick really just shows the power that he holds and the respect that he holds. I really truly didn't expect this decision to come so quick, as finances move incredibly quick, and just in my video I made on Friday, I was just talking about the TikTok ban. I really didn't think a decision would come through until at least the 20th or the 21st, but not on the 19th. So the speed that Trump worked with this is pretty incredible. Today, Trump did conclude his final rally as the president-elect. This was at the Capital One Arena down in Washington, D.C., and there was a lot of announcements from him at this rally. And it's already looking like he'll be a better President 47 than Joe Biden was as President 46, as a lot of the disasters and horrible things that have happened over the last couple years, it's almost felt like Joe Biden hasn't really cared or completely ignored it. Where Donald Trump is already talking about visiting California on Friday because of all the wildfires. Trump is talking about a pretty aggressive push on day one, as he has like 100 executive orders he's looking to put into place. And with that being said, I think this also adds a lot of intrinsic value into DJT, as he has also talked about releasing the JFK files exclusively on Truth Social. And so with the awful Gary Gensler stepping down tomorrow and us having the pro-crypto Paul Atkins step into his place, we could really see cryptocurrencies run like crazy over the next 4 years, and we could also see a lot of this halting and manipulation stop completely, especially for DJT, as Paul Atkins is not just pro-crypto, but a good friend of Donald J. Trump, and that was Donald J. Trump's pick for that position. And so the stock price for DJT, in my opinion, has been very artificially held down for a long time. Hopefully we get to see it run with the hands in the Securities and Exchange Commissions changing very soon, and with the changing of our president, Donald J. Trump. If the meme coin is any indication of what should happen, we should see the stock for DJT go absolutely bonkers. I'm very excited to see where it's going to open up tomorrow in the overnight market. As we know, the stock market is closed on the 20th for MLK Day and the inauguration, but when it opens up overnight, it should go crazy, and I think it could possibly go even crazier on Tuesday. And so again, congratulations to President Donald J. Trump. We are very looking forward to you getting back into office, and I would be very curious to hear what everyone in the comments sections has to say. So please let me know what you think of DJT, where you think this stock is going to run over the next couple days or over the next couple weeks. So please drop that comment in the section below. Please leave a like and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.